Hello! In this video I will show you how to enter safe mode on Huawei MatePad 12X. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time. And here in this menu you have to select safe mode, and now your device will boot into safe mode. And as you can see by this watermark in the corner, my device is now in safe mode, and if you want to leave this mode you have to simply restart your device. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.